Hey Aisa, Joshua here with Peterson SEO, and thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about PRC Incorporated, but before we get to that, I want to discuss the three different ways on how you can be found, your business can be found in Google. So say for instance we type in water damage restoration Los Angeles. This is one way. Up here is the sponsored um, tab right here that turns out on the top here. The second way to be found is right here in what we call the map pack area. You got water damage Los Angeles, absolute maintenance, and at one water at the top right here. Excuse me. And the third way, before we get to the third way, the ways that you can be up here and get up here is by saving your Google Business Profile optimally, and also you want to tie your citations to your Google Business Profile on these. So it's basically kind of like a digital phone book, if you will, for your business. So the third way that you could be found is what we call the organics. Dry Master is up on the top when you type in water damage restoration LA. Service Master, Restore, and Angie's List. So these are the top three um, right now ranked in organics. And so with that, let's get to your website. So I like your logo up here on the left hand side. I like the number right here. Appears to be clickable, so it sure is clickable. Um, okay, you have drop down menu. You've got all these services down here, and we only typed in water damage restoration, so we didn't type in anything else on Google. Um, so I really like your layout. I like the background over here. It looks really nice. Oh, and then you have who you are and everything. That's really nice. Make a payment. I like these drop downs here where they stay with you the whole time on the header part. So let's keep continuing. But what Google really loves and what they look for is content. And basically what we all need for content is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And that's only on the front, or on your homepage, excuse me. So Google really loves content. I don't see any keywords that are saved in your content, unless I'm missing somewhere. But it's also a good idea to save keywords to your content every 250 words. So let's take a quick look at your competitor, DryMaster. They are right here at the top. So let's take a quick look at their site. They have a drop-down menu as well. But looks like they did save keywords right here. So that helps in content. It looks like you have more content than them though. They have about 50 to 100 words of content, and I would say that you have, I would say 200 words, roughly 200 words of content. Um, so, so that's about it on content as far as what Google looks for. So you can optimize in that way. The next thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords. Now, there's this tool, it's called Ahrefs, and I put in your website into Ahrefs, and this basically shows a live view of what your site's doing right now in the eyes of Google. So the UR right here is the strength, and the domain rating is the trust that Google has. You have 983 backlinks, 242 referring domains. Okay, you have 300 organic keywords going to your site, and you are getting only 71 traffic with your website. Definitely with this rating, you should be getting more, meaning that you have a lot that probably a lot of referring domains that ain't supposed to be there. You know, like say someone's searching for Pizza Hut and they're trying to find you, and then Pizza Hut shows up. So it's like you don't want things like Pizza Hut going to your website at all. So those are just a few things that could be going on. But let's take a quick look at your keywords right here. So 317 keywords are being used on your website. And these are the actual keywords that you're using with the search volume. Backup companies, okay. Fire damage, PRC Incorporated. It's not very much volume there. Back out, okay. So this just shows you a list of all the organic keywords that you're using. It shows you positions, the traffic, how easy it is to rank, and the volume, search volume. So let's kind of take a quick look at your competitor's website. Now they have a lot lower strength and domain rating, but take note that they do have, they may have a smaller amount of referring domains and a smaller amount of organic keywords. But look at that traffic. They're getting all this organic traffic, meaning that they're ranking organically. They're trying to. I mean, they can still use optimization, but they are still trying to rank optimally with their website right now. That's the reason why they're at the top. So, I mean, you have 300 organic, you're only getting 71. They're getting 222. That's a lot. I mean, so it does pay to be on the top 3 spots. Very greatly, as you could see. I mean, we would need to basically optimize with proper SEO backlinking to get you guys to pass these guys right here. So basically, in a nutshell, that's about all I have for you, Aisa. Let's do a quick recap. How to be found. So, like we mentioned, the sponsors is one way to be found by Google and to land your customers and get your clients. Next is the Google Business Profile area, the Map Pack area, where, take note, 30% of your business will come from these 3 top slots. So that's pretty huge, just from being up here. And like I said, you want to get your citations up, and you want to also optimize your Google Business Profile up to 100% if all possible. And the third way is the organics, which is my personal favorite, because 70% of your business will come from here. If you are ranking up here for these keywords, people are going to call and get a hold of you up here. Dry Master obviously is getting a bunch of organic traffic just from being up there. So, I mean, if you're not up there, I mean, you're just basically leaving money on the table. I mean, think of your website as a digital ATM machine. So with that, that's about all I have for you, Aisa. I hope that this information is useful to you again. And if you feel you need a guide to help you in your journey to help your business grow, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua Gutierrez, Peterson SEO. You can reach me at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com, or you could call me anytime at 505-331-7995. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.